In this video, I will show you the fastest method of earning PayPal money for free. This method is absolutely perfect for beginners because you can make PayPal money without any prior experiences or any technical skills. It just takes a few clicks to make PayPal money with this method. But before we proceed, don't forget to smash the like button and comment down below what country you are in right now. Because in this way, I will be able to create videos specifically for your country. So drop your country's name in the comments down below. Now let's get started. The first app I'm going to show you is a fast and easy method to make free PayPal money and is called the Cash Magnet app. It is an Android app that will allow you to earn extra income while you are not using the phone. This app works all over the world. It doesn't matter where you come from. If you have an Android phone, you can make money without doing anything by using this app. You can get money from your Android phone. They pay for every minute of that time when you do nothing. You'll be paid every single minute. Here is what the app looks like. When you install this app on your phone, you will track your earnings. You will be able to see today, yesterday, and monthly earnings. If you want to make money with this app, you don't need to watch videos or do surveys. This is a beginner-friendly app. You can withdraw your money via PayPal Cash, Amazon, iTunes, Google Play, PlayStation, and Steam gift cards. As soon as you open this app, you'll be generating money. If you have 2 Android devices, you can use this app on each of them to make extra money for those. Once you have downloaded and installed the Cash Magnet app on your phone, you will be able to earn up to $15 every month without any work. If you connect more phones, you will make more money. If you installed this app on 2 phones, you could expect to earn up to $30 a month. And if you installed this app on 3 phones, you can expect to earn up to $4 to $5 a month. This app is 100% free to download. You can add unlimited phones without any cost. The good thing about this website is you can withdraw your money when you reach only $1. Now you may be wondering how long does it take to earn points. Here you can see most users can easily earn enough points to redeem for 2 days, but it depends on how much time your Cash Magnet will work. Now you may be thinking, why do they pay you? They pay you because they earn money from sponsorship. This app works while you are not using your phone. The app is browsing sites and installing games. But don't worry, it will install only trusted apps and games and visit only safe sites. The only purpose of the app is to view advertising, click on banners, install games, and watch advertising. By doing so, they earn money and share it with their users. To start earning, you will need to launch the application and press the Start Earning button. If you need to use your phone, you can stop the program and use it again when the phone is not required. Ideally, single users can use the app during the night when they sleep. Accumulation of points takes place every 5 minutes. The longer the program works on your phone, the more money you will receive. The second app that allows you to quickly and easily earn free PayPal money is called Paidwork.com. This app is available on both iOS and Android phones. With this app, you can make money without any investment. This application provides various opportunities to make free money. This is a full-time or additional job for all people, from every country. You can earn money on any device with access to the internet, wherever you are. You will get paid for your time spent and engagement on the platform. You can participate in games, do surveys, watch videos, and shop online. And the cool thing is that by following their simple instructions, you can earn up to £150 in just a month without any additional taxes or charges. There is no limit to your earnings. You decide how much you make. Their main priority has been to help people worldwide by giving them an opportunity to earn an additional income remotely. People who need extra income should be able to use a product they can trust, so that they are focused on exchanging tasks between earners and marketers, where earners can build relationships with companies and discover new products. All you have to do is download their app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and start earning money. Our next website is called usertribe.com. Again, this is about testing different online concepts or testing apps and websites, and that's so. It can also be fun to participate in. You can join from all countries. You can test sites and apps to earn, but you can also invite others to join and earn a commission. When you complete a test, they will use the email address you gave them during registration to send you your reward. The reward can be in the form of a gift card, or they can pay you via PayPal. Either way, they will inform you at the start of the rewards you will get for completing the test. Our next website is called Swagbucks.com. This is the web's most popular loyalty and consumer rewards program. Members of this free rewards service get free gift cards or cash for the everyday activities they're already completing online, like searching the web, playing games, watching videos, or shopping online, where you'll make money through cashback rebates. However, this one has many more ways to make money online here. You can do the surveys, you can watch videos, and you can download apps and games. There are loads and loads of ways to make money online on Swagbucks. This website is one of the most popular Get Paid To websites. I'd be surprised if you haven't heard of it already. But I thought I'd show it to you in this video, because it is a great website. They pay out a lot of money. You can see they have excellent reviews on Trustpilot. You can do some easy things like watching videos, playing games, downloading apps, doing something like that, and getting paid to do it all. Simply click on this button right here and enter your email address and password, retype it, and click the Sign Up Now button, or you can do this with Facebook. If you do that, they'll create your account with Facebook. Our next website is called Testingtime.com. Testingtime is a legit testing site that pays you for participating in their usability tests. You get paid a significant amount for each test. You can also earn by inviting other people to join. Once you complete your first usability test, they will ask you to choose the payment method you want to use. You can either choose to get paid via PayPal or direct bank transfer. You can earn up to €50 per hour, which is around $56 per hour for every test you complete. But this is a little bit different than many of the other sites. Because often, when you give feedback about a website, games, or something like that, you do have to show up at a particular time. Meaning you have an online meeting that may be over Skype or something like that, where somebody from a specific company will interview you about your experiences. You have to do a recording on many of the other sites, so you can kind of do it on your own time. But on this website, you have to be there at a specific time, so it takes a little bit more planning. But it can be worth it and can also be fun to participate in. Our next website is called SurveySavvy.com. You can make money by doing a survey with this website. You may be wondering why they pay you. They will pay you to do surveys. Companies are looking for consumer opinions from people like you. SurveySavvy has directly connected you with those companies and pays cash to share your views. After you join and complete your member profile, they use the information to target various demographic groups according to criteria established by their clients. When your profile matches the essential criteria for a specific survey, they will invite you via email to participate. If you pass the in-depth screening portion of the survey and complete the body of the survey, they will credit your account the amount mentioned in the invitation. Once you have accumulated more than $1 in incentives, you can request payment by using the Request Payment tool under the Account section once logged in. The more surveys you take, the more money you earn. Because obviously, you will get paid for every survey. They will pay you around anywhere between 7 to 5 cents up to $3 for a single survey. So if you do a few of these per day, that's going to be a nice little bit of extra income for you. They're very easy. You just answer some questions, and that's basically pretty much all you have to do. So to sign up, all you have to do is click this button at the top here. After that, you can do the normal sign-up process as you usually would. Now put your name, email address, password, country, home address, and gender. After that, put in all the information they want. Then click on the Continue button right here. Once you do that, you're good to go. Our next website is called TryMyUI.com. UI is basically a user interface. So what you need to do is you get access to the very exclusive pre-launch website or application, and you play around with it. While playing around with it, you're going to be recording your voice. You're going to be taking notes and playing around with it in real time. You're going to be voicing your frustrations about what you really enjoyed about the app or the website and what you didn't like as well. You get paid about $10 per review session. A review session takes about 20 minutes. So theoretically, if you have 3 review sessions lined up back to back, you could be making $60 per hour. In terms of actual payment, you get paid every single Friday via PayPal. Here you can see many big companies like Amazon Priceline use their service. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to click that subscribe button with the notification bell if you don't want to miss our upcoming videos.